Here in these examples, we're asked to find the indicated derivatives. Now remember, you can find derivatives using any method you like. In these video notes, I will use the method that jumps out to me first, but I'll try to also point out other ways you could have found the derivative. So in number one, we're finding the derivative with respect to x, given that this is our function. So for me, I see this as the product of x and sine x. So in order to find the derivative, I will use the product rule. dy dx equals the derivative of x, which is 1, multiplied by the derivative of sine x, multiplied by the given function, sine x, plus the first function, x, multiplied by the derivative of the second function, which is cosine x. So this would be my derivative using product rule, which honestly is the most straightforward way I see here. So now in number two, we want to find dy d theta of cosine theta over theta plus 1. So notice that this means that theta is my variable. So these are all treated as if, for instance, it was x. So to me, when I look at this problem, I see a quotient. I see my high function is cosine theta, and my low function is theta plus 1. So I'm going to do quotient rule. So the derivative with respect to theta of this function equals low d high, and the derivative of cosine is negative sine theta, minus high, which is cosine theta, d low. Now the derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1, and the derivative of 1 is 0. And square the bottom, and away we go. So remember, on the AP test, this is acceptable. You don't have to simplify. But on my test, I might ask you to simplify this down. In an essence of time for our video notes, we'll practice simplifying in class together.